Hello everyone, myself is Om Chaudhary and today we are going to discuss about the patronage of the post-pregnancy and the complication and the problems that are faced by women after the pregnancy and some physiological changes that the complication that comes after the pregnancy or the post-parturition period. And there are some problems that can be severe after the pregnancy or after the childbirth. So we are going to discuss about them, and they are most likely they are, for example, cardiovascular diseases. We will ask the patient or woman about any previous cardiovascular diseases, for example, arterioventricular septal defect or the ventricular septal defect, and other medical conditions like pre-existing if they have chronic disease related to blood and infection or sepsis and excessive bleeding. We will see the vital signs of the woman, and we will see that either they are extensive bleeding after the birth, and we will also check the blood pressure, either it's hypertension or hypotension or it's normal. It should be the normal, but in sometimes after the pregnancy or post-parturition period it may cause the hypertension, and sometimes it causes strokes, and rare but there is a blood infection. There can be the blood infection and there can be the blood embolism due to the amniotic fluid that goes back into the mother's blood after the parturition or the post-parturition period, because of the some embolic of the amniotic fluid can pass into the mother's blood through the placental villi, and the absorption of the veins or arteries in the uterus after the placenta come out. So that embolism can pass into the mother's blood, and that can cause the complication. And these are also have some signs and symptoms which can be shown after the birth of the baby. We will check some symptoms, either they are present or not, to make sure that woman is healthy or not after the baby delivery. And these symptoms include chest pain, obstruction in breathing, and shortness of breathing, and seizures. And we will watch and diagnose the heart rate and about the defects of the heart, obviously, and bleeding, choke. We will check either there is a normal bleeding or excessive bleeding. There should not be excessive bleeding after the delivery of the baby. And we will check the incision, that if the delivery was not normal, we will check the incision, either they are healing properly or not, and we will check the redness and swelling around the area of the genitalia and on the place of the incision. And we will check the temperature, and there should not be exceed from the normal ranges of the temperature. And the headache, there can be the headache and hypertension. We already discussed about this, and these are the some aspects which are included under the post-parturition period. These are some complications can occur in the post-parturition period, and we will discuss about that, and we will see the symptoms and signs to resolve the problems of the woman. And this is very important for the lady and the woman who give the birth to children. And this is all about this topic. Then thank you for